Alright guys, let's check out this new light by Wuben. This is the G5 Easy Carry light. One of their new lights. I know everybody on YouTube has got these lights and they're reviewing it. But let's unbox it, take a look at what's inside. So we got the light itself on there pretty tight. On the back side, okay, you got your instruction manual. You also have cables and it looks like a lanyard to go along with it. So you have your lanyard and you have your cable and then an O-ring. All right, so let's look at the actual light itself. Key features. Let's see. This is USB-C charging right there. This is it's an on mode and then lock mode, I assume. Let's turn it on. So, okay. All right. Okay. So it gets brighter, gets dimmer. And then let me change the one click turns it off. Double click turns on a flashing RGB. What happens if I... Okay, it doesn't make it any brighter or less dim. Now let's do 3 clicks. Nothing. Okay. That's just the light. What if I hold it down? Now you got a blinking RGB. Goes back to that. So I don't know how to get it into its... Oh. There we go. Ah, got it. So you hold it down, turns on the RGB side, and you can filter through the different lights, colors I mean. This is going to be really cool if you are a content creator and you want to have some ambient light or extra lights on the back to give your shot a different look. That's really what I think I would use this for, honestly. This right here is pocket clip. It's an odd place to put a pocket clip, but yeah, that's the light. So the light actually swivels if you want to use it like this, or if you want to use it on its back side, you can do that as well. This is a magnetic point right here, and that's where the lanyard goes. So pretty straightforward, I think. Without reading the manuals, I think I got it. And so, yeah, I think I got the hang of this. There we go. Okay, so holding it down switches it from different modes, and then your notch here turns it brighter and what have you. So there you have it, guys. Wuben G5. Check it out. I got a link in the description of the video.